So my friend Dan recently decided to embrace a minimalist lifestyle, which, if you've never heard of it, apparently means you get rid of everything you own except for your Instagram account and, in Dan's case, a single stainless steel spoon. He invited a few of us over for dinner to share the experience, which sounded intriguing until I realized he meant it literally. We arrived to find his kitchen almost completely empty, no plates, no forks, just one proud, shiny spoon perched atop a napkin like it was the guest of honor. At first, we thought he was joking. But then he served us his famous chili in paper cups, smiled serenely, and handed the spoon to the first person in line, saying, "Take as much as you need, then pass it on." What followed was an awkward, slow-motion relay race around the table, where each of us tried to look casual while inwardly calculating the optimal number of beans we could scoop without looking greedy or, worse, leaving the spoon suspiciously moist. Every time the spoon changed hands, Dan would nod approvingly, as if we were nuns sharing a holy relic. Things took a turn when dessert arrived, ice cream, because he thought it would promote sharing and mindfulness. If you've never seen 7 adults attempt to eat rapidly melting Neapolitan with a single utensil, let me tell you, it's a study in trust, patience, and the slow erosion of friendship. Someone tried to suggest we just use the cups as makeshift scoops, but Dan said, that defeats the purpose. The spoon is the journey. At this point, I was convinced he was either a genius or the world's stingiest host. By the end of the night, as we all sat in contemplative silence, bonded by the strange intimacy of communal cutlery, Dan finally broke the tension by raising his spoon aloft and declaring, "Minimalism isn't just about owning less, it's about stirring up deeper connections." And that's when I realized, it was a stirring experience, in more ways than one.